So, right, to start off the show, got tool of the week. And that's not
tool
me.
Tool of the week? You're a tool.
I know. Tool of the week. And my tool was MTRX. I can't rate that high enough. MTRX is bang on.
That's a tool of the day every day, never mind a week.
Oh, yeah, definitely, yeah. Always puts a smile on my face, that does.
I'll never forget when you were first sending me through hail cars to put through MTRX because you didn't have it. And I was like, what are you pricing that car up at? I was like, give it to me. Give me all the panel breakdowns. I'll put it in MTRX.
I think it was
send
about
your number back.
2,000, 2.5, wasn't it?
I can't remember, mate. I can't remember, but I know we sort of doubled whatever you would put on it anyway.
Just a bit, yeah. So, yeah, tool of the week for me, MTRX.
100%. I mean, to be fair, it's going to be good if we do a whole show on MTRX because I think it's going to be great for like all the technicians, especially those not using it.
Yeah.
Obviously, if we can go a bit more in depth and sort of give people a heads up as to how to use it properly and how much of a sales tool it is, how much it's going to improve your pricing. But I think keeping everyone on the same page as well. Yeah. You know, and it's not much. It's only, what, £50 a month? Actually, funnily enough, your man Graham Seaton sent me a message today. Another chap will be getting on the show at some point, hopefully. He sent me a message today saying I think they're doing it for $35 a month at the minute.
Really?
And really, that's...
You can make that just in shop fees.
I'll make that every time I put the kettle on.
Oh dear. As long as it's only dent technicians that watch this, we'll be all right.
£35 a tea.
So what was your tool of the week then? Come on.
My tool of the week? What is you?
Nice one, yeah.
No, my tool of the week
I used that joke, not you.
I know. And cut. Tool of the week, I would have to say the new GLEXO tap downs.
Right, so
I just got those through late last week, I guess it was, and gave them a good run out this week.
Right. What do you get?
Yeah,
then? I've seen the pictures of them. Coming like a little pouch, don't they?
Yeah, there's three. They're wooden, and they've got like a magnetic insert, so standard issue. They're not rolling anywhere. And yeah, so there's three. One's like a sharper flat tip. One's a rounded sharper tip. And then there's
sharper tip.
No, softer from there, mate. More of a small crown type tip, if you like.
Right, nice.
Yeah, awesome. I was a bit worried at first because they were leaving a bit of a residue on the panel.
Right.
But I think it's just like a bit of like varnishing that comes with it. You know, use it for a minute, that disappears, and it's clean as you like. Yeah, really good. Work on seams as well, which I was thinking they were going to blunt them off, but you know, sort of those door edges.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, whack them like hell, don't you?
No,
I meant the door edges. But if you get it wrong and you put a little dot in there, and you're like, bugger.
Yeah. Tools go flying across the workshop.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
I've got a bit of a problem. Yeah. Can you get your car tomorrow? It's in the body shop.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Take it steady.
Cheers. Bye-bye.